Meaning of enquirer.
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 Enquirer. The term enquirer refers to a person who seeks information or asks questions on a particular topic. This term is commonly used in the context of journalism, where an enquirer is a reporter or journalist who investigates and gathers information for a news story. In general, an enquirer can also refer to any individual who seeks knowledge or seeks to understand something better by asking questions and seeking answers. Whether it is in a professional or personal context, being an enquirer is an important trait that drives curiosity and a thirst for knowledge.